I had a few drinks too many, and now I own a silly domain name. This is the story that often happens to some IT people sometimes. Well, maybe it's just my friends. Who knows? But now I own a silly website. A few weeks ago, I went to Italy. I went to Venice. It was an amazing city. I got interviewed by a magazine for an energy company I'm starting. That's nothing to do with this video, but that is still free promo, so I'm taking it because this is my YouTube channel. I will also upload that video separately so that you can peruse it at your leisure. Now, I, one evening, went out with some lovely people and had a few cocktails too many. Whilst we were sitting there, somehow the conversation moved on to the topic of crusty crustaceans, and I purchased the domain name Ragecrab.com. What have I done with this? This video is to tell you that. The first half, I'll tell you what I've done with it. The second half, I'll tell you how you can do it yourself if you so crave. I asked online, I asked ChatGPT, I asked some friends, what do you think I should do with this stupid thing I've bought? And all the ideas were terrible. So I thought, okay, fine, crab-based motivational speaker, a quote a day. So now if you visit the website www.ragecrab.com, you will see a small cartoon of a crab looking grumpy and a motivational quote. Every single day that motivational quote changes at around 2 or 3 a.m, can't remember which. Enjoy, use it at your leisure, or don't use it at all. Do I think this will be a commercial success and famous thing? No. But it was amusing to me at the time. So that's part 1 over. Hope you enjoyed it. Here's part 2. So for the techies among us, WordPress. WordPress is a wonderful tool you can use to create websites. I have server space that gives me a huge number of WordPress sites that I could host. So I sat down at my desk, spun it up, and within 5 minutes I had a new website of ragecrab.com that said, "Hello World." I deleted all the pages that came with it because I didn't like any of them and I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I have configured it in the design side of WordPress so that any blog posts do not have any of their blog content, their author information, all of the description removed. Same with the date, everything. The only thing they will do now is show the title of that blog post full screen in a nice big font. I'm not scheduling 400 posts myself because that's how many ChatGPT spat out for me. So what I did was I used a tool called Zapier, which allows automation. Log on to Zapier, created a little database with 2 tables. One is a date, one for each day of the year, and the other field is the quotation. I then said to Zapier every day at 2 o'clock in the morning, check that table, find the current date in it, and take the motivational quote and post it to WordPress. Zapier has a little tool built into it that allows you to, not Zapier, WordPress has a plugin available called Zapier, the Zapier plugin. I then created a new user account on WordPress that did not have any rights to change anything important, just to post new blogs. Gave those credentials to Zapier, and now every day Zapier logs on, checks to see what the next post is, and automatically schedules it on the blog. Super, super simple. I may add a Twitter X account in there, I may add a Facebook account in there, but this isn't supposed to be a famous, amazing, powerful thing. I'm doing this just to amuse myself. However, if you would like to see a new crab-based motivational quotation every day, feel free to visit that page. Additionally, I thought I should tell you that whilst I was asking ChatGPT to generate some motivational quotes for me, I haven't read all of them. I've read a lot of them. So if the crab tells you to start investing in Bitcoin, that was not me. If the crab tells you to rob a bank, that was not me. That was ChatGPT. Blame ChatGPT on this. Anyway, I hope it's enjoyable to you. Enjoy, and that's a silly little thing I did while I was drunk on holiday.